couch in here, just as you walk in. Those who are drinking, stay on that side. Only drink on that side, please. Those who are smoking, please stay away from the entrance there. Go out and smoke by the tennis courts. Toilets? Where's the toilet? Over here? Okay, you follow on the toilet. There's a fire drill. We all got to go that way. So on that side, you've got to go this way. I think that's what I was told. The bar, the alcohol, the waivela, or what you call the waikoi. That's sorry, that's on your own expense. Not cash, it's only card only. But soft drinks and water supplied for you guys. Now, we're going to do this in orderly fashion because we'll start from that end, coming this way. Please don't fill your bags up before you eat. We want to eat first. Yeah? So everybody can have a feed. There'll be food left over, and you can, take some. Please, everyone, let's take them and make sure that everybody gets a feed. So,
older people first.
I guess because you're close to the food over there, we'll start from that table. Oh no, we'll start from that table here. That's it? Okay, that's it?
It's a nice.
Then we work around this way. Yeah? You got that? We work around this way. But, okay. The table first going to get the food is the table there. Table number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then outside. Unlucky you're outside. But don't worry, there's plenty of food. How about we let the kids go first?
Hello, gorgeous.
Hey, Mama. Let the kids go first, please. Okay. All the kids walk outside. Okay. Orderly fashion, please. Fakaue lahi.
All right, here we are. We're at Lila's unveiling. Today is the Monday, the 8th August. 8th of August. Look, there's Joe, baby Toffee, Agnes, and Fred, and the whole family. Everyone's here, so it's this is held at the Auckland Rugby League. Otara Rugby League Club. It's very nice to be here. So there's my whaka. Beautiful, that's your everyone that's here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice to see everyone. This is Lila's. This is for Lila's beautiful unveiling. Here's Lila, beautiful, colourful lady who has asked us today who the family have asked us today to wear colourful clothes. And this is her birthday also today. She turned 90 if she was still alive. This is all the food. It's a lovely day today that we're out here. Otara, Auckland.